A commenter on YouTube asked for this. I've got a Civic EX without keyed entry on the back of the trunk, and we have a trunk latch that we're working on today, and it's pretty straightforward. There's nothing to disconnect other than the electrical plug, and when the latch drops down, we're going to release the cabin release. So all you have to do is get the 10mm bolts out. Sorry for the sun glare. So there is a metal piece that is up in this hole right here, and they have that because some of these versions have a keyed access to the latch. So we have the latch right here, and it is just disconnected. This is the emergency release from inside the cabin. We're just going to pull that off. And that's it. There's the latch. Nothing's connected on the back, and it is pretty straightforward. Installation is reverse of removal. I will have links to eBay as well as the OEM part number in the description. We'll see you next time.